Okay guys, this is Pamela, and believe it or not, you are on Pamela's Adoring Crochet. I am filming here in my home, my new home, and so yeah, you're gonna see stuff like this and things over here that's not put up yet. It's a total mess, but I am keeping up my crochet, keeping that end of it going, and right here I have an Annie's crochet kit that I would love to show you guys. So how about we just take a look at that. Oh, and don't forget, let's see, I don't know sure where I put my coffee. Hold on. Where did I put my coffee? I gotta find my coffee. Okay, just follow me. Just come with me. Maybe it's in the yarn room. Ah, there it is. Yee, gotta have the coffee. So I'm fixing to be crocheting right over there. But in the meantime, I just wanted to show you guys the Annie's crochet kit. Oh, and this is pumpkin spice coffee. Very good. Yeah. All right, so let's take a look at that. So this is the Annie's Hook and Needle Kit Club, the store and stow baskets. Now, I do have this kit, and I've made this before. And it's a really good kit. Let me show you the yarns. So this is given to me, sponsored by Annie's. Thank you so much, Annie's. I appreciate it. So let's take a look at the yarn. So here are the yarns. We have I guess it's not really red. Maybe it's like not even burgundy either, like a burnt orange or something. It's hard to describe that color. But anyway, a tan and a blue and a gold. So these are the colors. It says Annie's Hook and Needle Kit Club. Let's see, cool machine wash gentle, tumble dry gentle, low heat. Do not bleach, do not iron. 100% cotton. 55 yards. It's a 6, super bulky. So these are the 4 colors that they gave. It's the store and stow baskets. All right, let me see what hook size this uses. Okay, there it is right there. A K is 6.5 millimeter crochet hook. So the picture here is showing the knitted version. In that certain picture, that's cool. Okay, so this pattern actually comes with not just the crochet version of it, but it shows you the knit version as well. How cool is that? I love that. I didn't know any of my other patterns from them did that. So that's a good thing about this, the Hook and Needle Kit Club, or any of the Annie's kits. If you don't understand something, they do have tutorial, right and left-handed tutorials to help you with these kits. And as you guys know, I've been doing Annie's for a long time now. I love Annie's. And this is just one of the crochet kits. They have several other kits, and they got lots of Afghan kits. So, but yeah, I wish I had my basket, but I gifted my basket that I had made. I'd gifted it to someone else. But that's it. Okay guys, let's go ahead and read. It says, clay pots. You, Lord, are our Father. We are the clay. You are the potter. We are all the work of your hand. There are many types of pottery, from basic earthenware used for mundane tasks to lovely decorative pieces that adorn someone's mantelpiece. It is interesting to note that God uses his imaginary all the way from Genesis to Revelation. He is the potter, we are the clay. The potter has absolute power to create exactly according to his wish. The pot has no say. There are times when we are not happy with the vessel the potter has fashioned. We'd rather be the vase on the mantelpiece that is used to hold a beautiful bouquet. The truth is, the vessel itself is not what gives it worth. As beautiful as it may be, the value lies in its contents. Lord, forgive me for being discontented with this vessel you created. I know that outward appearance is meaningless compared to the inward glory of Christ's presence. Shine through this vessel, use me as you wish, and let the world know who you are. Oh wow, that was just beautiful. Well guys, that's all that I have for this video. I hope you've enjoyed checking out one of Annie's Hook and Needle Kit Club kits. It is, like I said, the Hook and Needle Kit Club is one of my favorites. They have a Love to Crochet that I like just as much. Anyway, so yeah, thank you Annie's for letting me have this kit to show all of my viewers, and I will leave links in the description box below for you guys. All right, just remember to live life and to have fun, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe.